Hello everyone, my name is Rakshit and I'm an international student from India. The biggest problem that I was facing before coming to USA was that of selecting a proper credit card. Now the issue was United States of America does not issue a credit card if you do not have a social security number. And for an international student who's just coming to USA, getting a SSN is very difficult. Now traditional option with me was to go for a Forex card but at the cost of paying high charges. This is when I came across Zolve. Now Zolve offers credit card without social security number and you can apply for Zolve sitting in your home country. Zolve not only helped me with my first credit card in USA, but it also helped me in saving money as it gives me cash back on every purchase. Apart from credit card, Zolve also provides visa assistantship and they helped me with my visa interview and helped me secure a visa in my first attempt. I've been using Zolve for last 6 months now and the results have been fascinating. I haven't had a single issue while doing any transactions and I've been able to pay my fees, pay my bills, pay my rent on time. So if you are an international student, I highly recommend you to go for Zolve. Now Zolve will not only help you with credit card and visa assistantship, but they will also help you to find a US SIM card and open a bank account in US sitting in your home country. Apart from that, they will also help you with your education loan and they will help you to bag a global scholarship as well. So if you are an international student who's planning to come to USA, this is your time to go and apply for Zolve right now. I highly recommend Zolve and go and click the link in description and get yourself enrolled with them. Thank you.